Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment on this video, and big up in yourself.
Welcome back to my channel again, people. Well, this I wanna some terrible, disgraceful news, may I tell you. May I read that story? Is like details like me I stutter right now because this is so disgraceful to Jamaicans and to the Jamaica Constabulary Force, knowing that 4 of them members have been arrested in the United States. People, yo, this is bad. This is terrible. May I read that story, people? 3 members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force have been arrested by the U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, as part of an ongoing narcotics probe in the United States and Jamaica. The constables, yes, them are constable. Crazy. The constables are all stationed in St. James. The 2 men and a woman were found with cocaine. People, they had cocaine. They were found in possession of cocaine. They said the 2 men and women were found with cocaine in their possession. One of the constables was arrested on June 19th and the other on Tuesday, and the third Wednesday, which is today. 2 of the cops were picked up in Charlotte, North Carolina, and the other in Atlanta, Georgia. It's understood that 2 of the officers have since been charged. So 2 of them get charged already. People, this is, yo, people always say how Jamaica police force are some criminals, are big criminals and crooks in there. And imagine overseas, them go and get caught. So say them probably was being investigated a long time now and it just catch up on them. You know. So this not too long happen. So it just hit social media. I see some pictures going around, but I don't really want to put up pictures unless I know say is in fact the correct person I'm talk about. Because you know how that we put up false information and people life and thing at stake. So I put up false information if have the correct facts, people, may I tell you. So somebody comments them on social media, like some people I said disgraceful, as I said, put out them name. Somebody want them name put out. They did the crime there, so keep them. Yeah man, weed them out. Somebody has to stay far from coke if it's not your last name. Quarantine barely just ended on this. Crazy. People, this is bad, man. Somebody say kiss me neck and call me Suzette. I saw them a move. Somebody else say build a monument for all 3 at Heroes Circle. Them think that's funny, but this is a serious matter. This is a disgraceful situation for the JCF. Big JCF Constabulary Force. Lord, please help them and let them be safe. What? You better go with that. They all should be fired after them get deported. Somebody said now JCF is probably the biggest criminal organization in Jamaica right now. And that's sad. And I look down upon ghetto youths. People, may I tell you, when I get more information, may I give you some update on it, people. I will put updates and I forget on some breaking news. As I say, thanks again for watching this video. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment on this video, people. Don't know it's breaking news. Alright, big up in yourself.